Robin MC Gra is a popular author from the United States who is the wife of physiologist and television personality Phil Caliban MC Gra. She is a well-known actress who has appeared in many television shows. She is a best-selling author and her first book called Inside My Heart, Choosing to Live with Passion and Purpose was released in 2006. Robin is a philanthropist and is a member of Dr. Phil Foundation. Early life. Robin MC Gra was born as a Robin Jamison to Garogia Jamison and Jim Jamison. She was born in Los Angeles, California on 28 December 1953. She spent her childhood in Oklahoma. She went to Duncan High School and has also been to Emerson Elementary School. Her siblings are Cindy, Karen, Roger, and Jimmy. In August 1976, Robin MC Gra got married to author, television personality, and physiologist Phil MC Gra. Her husband is popular by the name of Dr. Phil. The couple is the parents of Jordan and Jay MC Gra. Her son Jay has been married to actress Erica Dum, and she has got two grandchildren named Avery Elizabeth and London Philip. Age, height, and weight. Being born on 28 December 1953, Robin MC Gra is 67 years old as of today's date, 7th November 2021. Her height is 1.93 meter tall and her weight is 54 kg in kilograms. Career. In 1981, Robin MC Gra appeared in the entertainment news magazine called Entertainment Tonight. In 2004, she was seen in the television show The Insider. She has also made her presence in JCPenney Jam, the concert for America's Kids in 2006. She has appeared in many episodes of the Dr. Phil Show. In her husband's show, Robin discusses the issues faced by women. Her popular shows are Ask Dr. Phil and Robin, Valentine's Day's Giveaway, and Ging Gracefully. Awards and achievement. The best career achievement of Robin MC Gra is to be a successful author and television personality. Two of her books have appeared in the list of New York Times best-selling books. Net worth and salary 2021. As of November 2021, the estimated net worth of Robin MC Gra is more than $50 million. She is a trend face in the television industry and has appeared in several TV shows. She is also active in philanthropy and sits on the board of many charitable organizations. Apart from appearing on television, her net worth comes from her career as an author. Two of her books have featured the best-selling book in the New York Times. Robin MC Gra is one of the most famous writers in the United States. She is a very talented and influential woman who has done a lot for philanthropy. She has created her foundation and sits on the foundation of her husband. She has made a lot of contribution to society along with her husband.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create